Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you another way you can do some advanced stuff in make.com. So the idea is to get Airbnb information from a location, and we do this by using RapidAPI and an API from the marketplace. It's a free one. So what's the idea? The idea is you set a variable. I mean, you can also use as input a Google Sheets table whatsoever. So in our case, the variable name is market, and we're looking for, and the value is Tenerife. It's an island. Yeah, and then we have some other informations like offset is 0, bedrooms we want 1, and the max guest capacity is 2. And if we now run this scenario, we can see we get an output. And if we look into the output and into the data, you can see under results we get 50 data points, and all of those are different Airbnbs. So this is the Airbnb ID. We get the last updated, the last availability check, and the last ratings. And especially the ID is really useful. So yeah, this simple model, just by entering a location, gave us 50 Airbnbs which are close by, which is really, really cool. So yeah, we're using the Airbnb listings API from RapidAPI, as you can see here. Yeah, there's a free plan. And now as we got the ID, the Airbnb ID, we could use different things. So for example, after we got the listings ID, we then can, for example, look for the status, the availability, the prices. So yeah, so you can really build on this, and it's all in make.com. It's really cool, super useful. So if you're interested in getting Airbnb data, I really recommend you to check this out. Yeah, I put some more information down below. Thank you so much. Bye.